China's elevated highways are extraordinary feats of engineering. These highways soar over towering mountains, snake above apartment rooftops, and span vast canyons at breathtaking heights. From the sky-high Nagulasa Expressway to the awe-inspiring Tianlongshan Highway, these structures redefine what's possible. Join us as we count down the 15 most jaw-dropping elevated highways built by China.
Hangan Interchange. At the heart of Chongqing, China, stands one of the most complex and impressive highway structures ever constructed, the Hangan 5-level stack interchange. This interchange is far from ordinary. It is a massive, multi-layered network of roads that redefines what a highway junction can be. Often described as a 20-lane giant, this interchange rises to astonishing heights and offers a unique solution to the region's demanding traffic challenges. The Hangan Interchange towers 12 stories above ground, integrating 20 lanes and 14 ramps into a tightly woven vertical structure. Unlike conventional intersections spread out horizontally, this design stacks multiple highways on top of one another, creating a vertical maze that efficiently channels vast volumes of vehicles through a limited space. This approach addresses the mountainous terrain and urban density of Chongqing, where horizontal expansion is constrained. Constructed to relieve congestion in one of China's busiest metropolitan areas, this interchange exemplifies advanced engineering and urban planning. Its layers allow for seamless traffic flow, with 14 ramps facilitating smooth transitions between levels and directions. This careful design helps accommodate thousands of vehicles per hour, reducing delays and preventing gridlock in a city known for its challenging topography and heavy traffic. Beyond its functionality, the Hangan Interchange stands as a symbol of innovation, showcasing how engineering can adapt to extreme spatial limitations without sacrificing capacity or safety. While the scale and complexity of this structure may seem daunting to drivers, it represents a remarkable achievement in urban infrastructure. The Hangan 5-level stack interchange is more than just a road network. It is a testament to human ingenuity in transportation design, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in a rapidly growing urban environment. Nagulasa Expressway. Does the idea of driving on the highest expressway in the world capture your imagination? The Nagulasa Expressway in Tibet stands as a remarkable testament to human engineering, stretching 183 miles across some of the most extreme and breathtaking landscapes on Earth. At an average elevation of about 14,764 feet above sea level, this highway traverses the Tibetan Plateau, a vast region known for its rugged terrain and thin atmosphere. Constructing a road at such a high altitude presented numerous challenges. The air is significantly thinner than at sea level, which complicates both construction and travel. Weather conditions in the area can be severe and unpredictable, with extreme cold, high winds, and frequent snow. Additionally, the terrain itself is difficult to navigate, mountainous, with permafrost and rocky outcrops, making the building process especially demanding. Despite these obstacles, engineers successfully completed the expressway, creating a vital link between Nagqu and Lhasa, two important cities in Tibet. This route plays a crucial role in supporting travel, trade, and tourism in one of the world's most remote regions. Traveling along the Nagulasa Expressway offers an experience unlike any other. Drivers encounter expansive views of snow-covered peaks, vast grasslands, and pristine lakes, all while cruising on a modern, well-maintained road. The construction involved innovative techniques and specialized materials to ensure durability in the face of freeze-thaw cycles and shifting permafrost beneath the surface. More than just a transportation route, the expressway connects diverse cultures and economies at high altitude, demonstrating how infrastructure can bridge even the most challenging environments. Yaki Expressway. Any discussion about modern engineering marvels in China must include the Yaki Expressway in Sichuan. Spanning approximately 127 miles, this expressway is a remarkable achievement that pushes the limits of construction in some of the most challenging and seismic mountainous regions. The project required an investment of $3 billion, reflecting the complexity and scale involved in overcoming the extreme terrain it crosses. The route navigates through steep cliffs, deep valleys, and nearly vertical slopes where flat land is virtually non-existent. To connect remote areas previously difficult to access, engineers designed and constructed numerous extensive bridges and tunnels. These structures often appear to hang in mid-air, providing safe passage through an environment that would otherwise be inaccessible. The expressway's design effectively manages the natural obstacles, resembling a carefully engineered path defying gravity in more ways than one. One of the most impressive aspects of the Yaki Expressway is its resilience in an area prone to earthquakes and landslides. The construction incorporates advanced materials, innovative engineering techniques, and continuous monitoring systems to ensure stability and safety, despite the region's geological risks. This careful attention to durability allows the road to maintain consistent operation and protect the thousands who rely on it daily. Beyond its technical accomplishments, the expressway opens significant opportunities for local communities by improving access for trade, travel, and economic development. Travelers along this road are treated to breathtaking mountain views and an unparalleled experience of navigating one of the world's toughest landscapes. The Yaki Expressway is a testament to what can be achieved with vision, engineering expertise, and adequate resources. Beipanjiang Bridge. What makes the Beipanjiang Bridge stand out among the world's engineering achievements is its extraordinary height and innovative design. Spanning the border between Guizhou and Yunnan provinces in China, this bridge holds the record for the highest road deck globally, rising an astonishing nearly 1,850 feet above the Beipan River below. This height surpasses that of many of the tallest skyscrapers, making it a true marvel of modern infrastructure. The Beipanjiang Bridge is a critical component of the G56 Expressway, linking two mountainous regions previously separated by deep and rugged canyons. Prior to the bridge's construction, travel between these areas required lengthy and hazardous detours through difficult terrain. The bridge now allows vehicles to cross safely and efficiently in just minutes, significantly reducing travel time and improving regional connectivity. Constructing the bridge posed significant engineering challenges. The location's extreme height, combined with strong winds and unstable terrain, demanded advanced construction techniques and durable materials. Engineers designed a cable-stayed structure that not only supports immense loads, but also withstands adverse weather conditions and seismic activity. The result is a sleek and sturdy bridge that appears to float above the canyon, seamlessly blending form and function. Traveling across the Beipanjiang Bridge offers more than just a route. It delivers a striking experience. Drivers pass over a vast gorge, surrounded by towering mountains and open sky, highlighting human ingenuity's ability to overcome natural barriers. Aizai Bridge. Anytime one considers feats of modern engineering that combine scale, function, and beauty, the Aizai Bridge in Hunan Province, China, stands out as a remarkable example. This suspension bridge stretches approximately 3,858 feet across a deep canyon, with its roadway positioned 1,102 feet above the valley floor, roughly equivalent to the height of a 100-story building. Its design and scale are extraordinary, showcasing the power of engineering to conquer challenging landscapes. The Aizai Bridge is a vital part of the G65 Baotou-Maoming Expressway, connecting remote mountain areas that were previously difficult to reach. Before the bridge was built, travel through this region involved navigating long, winding, and often dangerous roads. The bridge significantly reduces travel time, improves safety, and offers a more reliable route for local residents and commercial vehicles alike. What makes the Aizai Bridge even more distinctive is its role as a venue for extreme sports. It is well known for hosting base jumping events, attracting thrill seekers who leap from the bridge's towering deck into the canyon below. This unique use highlights the bridge's cultural as well as engineering importance. Building the Aizai Bridge required overcoming major challenges posed by steep terrain and harsh weather. Engineers used advanced suspension technology and high-strength cables to ensure the bridge's stability and durability. The result is a structure that is both elegant and strong, appearing to float gracefully between the mountains. It demonstrates how modern projects can improve connectivity while inspiring admiration and excitement. Shuikusi Elevated Highway. This one stands out as a remarkable example of innovative urban infrastructure, the Shuikusi Elevated Highway in Chongqing. Unlike conventional highways, this elevated expressway weaves through some of the steepest and most challenging urban canyons in one of China's most mountainous megacities. Its design raises the question of how engineers managed to construct a functional roadway in such a constrained and rugged environment. One of the most striking features of the Shuikusi Elevated Highway is that it is built directly above residential apartment buildings. In a city where space is extremely limited, engineers responded with a creative solution: stacking the highway on top of existing structures. This results in vehicles traveling just feet above the rooftops of homes, effectively allowing the city to grow vertically rather than outward. Chongqing's terrain is dominated by steep cliffs and narrow valleys, making traditional road construction nearly impossible. The Shuikusi elevated highway addresses these challenges by creating a complex, multi-layered system that integrates seamlessly with the city's rugged landscape. The result is an urban expressway that looks both futuristic and highly functional, blending engineering ingenuity with the natural environment. For residents living beneath the highway, having a busy road just above their windows might seem unusual, yet it has become a normal part of life in this densely populated urban area. The highway illustrates how urban design can adapt when horizontal expansion is limited by geography. Longhai Elevated Expressway. When cities face the challenge of managing heavy traffic within limited space, innovative solutions become essential. The Longhai Elevated Expressway exemplifies such innovation by stretching approximately 16.5 miles through a densely populated urban area, efficiently elevating traffic above the busy streets below. This viaduct allows vehicles to bypass congested ring roads and dedicated bus rapid transit BRT lanes, improving the flow of traffic throughout the city. In highly crowded urban environments, available space is scarce and valuable. The Longhai Elevated Expressway addresses this by creating a vertical roadway that separates different types of traffic. By elevating cars and buses above ground level, it reduces surface congestion and allows for faster, smoother travel. This approach not only cuts down commute times, but also helps ease the strain on city streets during peak hours. The engineering behind this expressway is noteworthy. It weaves across intersections, navigates through a network of existing roads, and connects key city districts without causing significant disruption at ground level. Its design showcases how vertical infrastructure can maximize limited urban space while maintaining efficient connectivity. Driving on the Longhai Elevated Expressway offers an experience akin to flying above the city, with uninterrupted movement and minimal stops. This continuous flow helps reduce pollution and traffic jams, contributing to a cleaner, more efficient urban environment. Nairobi Expressway. You are looking at one of the most transformative infrastructure projects in East Africa, the Nairobi Expressway. Spanning roughly 17 miles, this elevated highway cuts through the heart of Nairobi, offering a direct and efficient route from the city center to its outskirts. By rising above some of the city's busiest roads and neighborhoods, the expressway dramatically eases congestion that has long plagued daily commuters, reducing travel times and improving the overall flow of traffic. This project also highlights China's growing role in international infrastructure development. Constructed with advanced engineering methods and modern materials, the Nairobi Expressway was completed quickly and is already enhancing economic activity by improving access across Nairobi. Beyond just easing traffic, it strengthens connections between key commercial areas, residential zones, and transportation networks, playing a vital role in the city's growth. A key feature of the expressway is its toll lanes, designed to regulate traffic volumes and provide a sustainable source of funding for maintenance. This approach ensures the expressway remains reliable and efficient over time, representing a modern model for urban roadways. Traveling on the Nairobi Expressway offers a faster, more seamless experience compared to navigating the often congested surface streets below. Whether for daily commuting, freight transport, or leisure, this highway is changing how people and goods move around the city. Kakorum Highway. Some time ago, one of the most remarkable engineering feats in the world was completed, the Kakorum Highway. Connecting China and Pakistan, this highway is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, due to its challenging route through some of the highest and most rugged mountain terrain on the planet. Stretching over 800 miles, the Kakorum Highway links Kashgar in China's Xinjiang region to Gilgit in Pakistan. The road winds through the towering Karakoram mountain range, known for its steep cliffs, glaciers, and difficult weather conditions. Construction began in 1966 and took more than 10 years to finish. Workers faced landslides, freezing temperatures, and elevations above 13,000 feet, making it one of the most difficult road projects ever undertaken. This highway has transformed trade and travel between China and Pakistan by providing a direct link through previously isolated regions. It connects remote communities, supports economic development, and offers access to vital resources. Driving along the Karakoram Highway offers a unique experience, with paved roads hugging cliffs, crossing deep gorges, and passing alongside glaciers. It requires skill and courage, but it also showcases human determination and engineering ingenuity at its finest. The Kakorum Highway is much more than a road. It is a breathtaking journey through some of Earth's most extreme landscapes and a testament to what can be achieved when engineering meets nature's greatest challenges. Hangzhou's elevated highways. Is this the future of urban highways? Hangzhou's elevated expressways have taken a bold step by integrating nature directly into the city's infrastructure. Stretching through the bustling metropolis, these highways have recently been transformed by the planting of approximately 1.7 million roses along their edges, turning concrete corridors into vibrant, blooming landscapes. This initiative highlights a unique blend of urban planning and environmental consciousness rarely seen on such a large scale. The addition of millions of roses does more than enhance aesthetics. It actively contributes to improving air quality and providing a refreshing atmosphere for commuters. Driving along these elevated roadways is now a sensory experience, with colorful blossoms and fragrant scents creating a pleasant environment amidst the urban rush. This approach redefines how highways can function, not just as transportation routes, but as green spaces that uplift city life. This large-scale planting effort is part of Hangzhou's broader strategy to incorporate green infrastructure into its rapid urban development. The city's elevated highways already play a critical role in managing heavy traffic, and by integrating lush vegetation, they become multifunctional corridors that support both mobility and environmental well-being. Overall, Hangzhou's elevated highways showcase a forward-thinking approach to urban development that balances functionality with environmental stewardship. By weaving greenery into essential transportation networks, the city not only improves traffic flow, but also creates inviting, healthy spaces for its residents.
Let's dive in. It's finally time for the open discussion.
This is how China builds roads in the sky, and it's blowing mind, because floating roadbeds made of inflated tubes are not what you'd expect in a mountain pass. Who designed this surreal solution, and how stable can something so squishy-looking really be? With diggers balancing on rubber ridges and workers directing from the sand, it looks like a cross between a mega construction site and an art installation. Could this be the wild future of infrastructure? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to mention #OpenDiscussion. Yanan Elevated Road. Even in a sprawling city as busy as Shanghai, the Yanan Elevated Road stands out as a crucial part of the urban transportation network. Extending approximately 9.3 miles, this elevated highway cuts through the city's core, providing a fast and efficient route above the crowded streets below. It plays a vital role in reducing traffic congestion and linking key districts, helping millions of commuters navigate one of China's busiest metropolitan areas more smoothly. The design of the Yanan Elevated Road blends practicality with advanced engineering. Featuring multiple lanes and carefully designed ramps, it maintains steady traffic flow by balancing speed and safety. Beyond its functional advantages, the highway offers striking views of Shanghai's iconic skyline, turning what could be just a commute into a scenic urban experience. Construction on the Yanan Elevated Road began in the 1990s and was completed in stages, illustrating China's forward-thinking approach to urban transportation challenges. This expressway is more than just a roadway. It is a strategic solution to accommodate rapid urban growth and increasing traffic demands in a city that never rests. The Yanan Elevated Road demonstrates how elevated highways can revolutionize city travel by providing faster, more reliable routes above congested surface streets. As a key artery in Shanghai's transportation system, it supports the city's non-stop activity and ongoing development. This highway exemplifies the successful integration of modern engineering with the needs of a dynamic, fast-paced metropolis. Tianlongshan Highway. When traveling through Zhejiang Province, one encounters the remarkable Tianlongshan Highway, a 3-level elevated road that appears to float above the clouds as it winds along the cliffs of Tianlong Mountain. This highway is more than just a transportation route. It is a striking example of advanced engineering meeting breathtaking natural scenery. The Tianlongshan Highway navigates some of the region's steepest and most rugged terrain, including sharp mountain passes and sheer rock faces. Its unique multi-level design allows traffic to flow efficiently across different layers, easing congestion while providing drivers with stunning views of deep valleys and clouds drifting below. Driving along this elevated road feels like moving through the sky, offering an experience few highways can match. Constructing the highway presented significant challenges. Engineers had to ensure the structure's stability and safety amid extreme heights and uneven, rocky landscapes. The solution was a carefully planned design that combines durability with aesthetic appeal, resulting in a roadway that is as secure as it is spectacular. Since its completion, the Tianlongshan Highway has attracted attention for both its functionality and its dramatic appearance, quickly becoming popular among travelers and online viewers alike. Jiangjin Zhishui Gulen Expressway. Far from ordinary highways, the Jiangjin Zhishui Gulen Expressway stands as an extraordinary example of engineering triumph over some of China's most challenging mountainous terrain. Stretching hundreds of miles through the rugged landscapes of southwestern China, this expressway is more than a route. It is a critical lifeline that connects remote regions once isolated by steep cliffs and deep valleys. The expressway's route is marked by impressive bridges and tunnels that allow vehicles to navigate terrain that would otherwise be impassable. These structures enable the highway to glide over natural obstacles, maintaining smooth traffic flow and ensuring safety despite the demanding environment. The design showcases how modern engineering can overcome even the most formidable natural barriers. Constructing the Jiangjin Zhishui Gulen Expressway required advanced techniques and careful planning to address the harsh weather and complex geology of the area. The project demanded innovation and precision to build a durable, reliable roadway capable of withstanding the region's conditions. The finished expressway dramatically reduces travel times, fosters economic growth, and opens up vital trade routes, significantly improving connectivity for the surrounding communities. Travelers on this expressway experience breathtaking views of mountains, valleys, and rivers from elevated heights. The journey itself becomes part of the appeal, as drivers traverse some of the most sophisticated infrastructure in the world while surrounded by natural beauty. It proves that with the right blend of innovation and engineering skill, even the most challenging landscapes can be conquered, opening new possibilities for transportation and development. Kylie Huancheng Expressway. So much more than just a road, the Kylie Huancheng Expressway represents a groundbreaking transformation in urban transportation backed by an immense $15 billion investment. This ambitious elevated highway project is set to reshape the city of Kylie, improving connectivity, dramatically reducing travel times, and redefining how people and goods move through challenging terrain. Spanning a complex landscape that includes both urban centers and mountainous regions, the expressway incorporates towering bridges, elevated lanes, and tunnels designed to handle heavy traffic with ease. Its intricate design allows for smooth transitions across difficult geography, ensuring efficient travel and fostering economic growth. The project's scale and complexity reflect a commitment not only to infrastructure excellence but also to enhancing the quality of life for local communities. Developed through a public-private partnership, the project leverages both government resources and private investment to deliver high-quality construction on schedule. This collaborative model serves as an example for future infrastructure developments across China and potentially around the world. This project marks a significant step toward building smarter, faster, and more connected cities, illustrating how strategic investment and advanced design can tackle complex transportation challenges. China's latest feat. From the depths of innovation rises a marvel unlike any other, a motorway that defies convention by soaring over vast waters, transforming the very notion of highway engineering. China's latest feat is not merely a road. It is a daring masterpiece that stretches miles above shimmering lakes and winding rivers, held aloft by colossal pillars anchored deep beneath restless currents. This is infrastructure reimagined on a monumental scale. Building a highway over water is a battle against nature itself. Engineers faced relentless challenges, unstable foundations, fluctuating water levels, and brutal weather that tests every beam and joint. Yet, through relentless determination and cutting-edge technology, they forged a route that remains steadfast and secure. A lifeline suspended between sky and water, connecting distant lands with unprecedented grace. This motorway revolutionizes travel in water-laden landscapes. Gone are the days of long detours or slow ferry crossings. Now, vehicles glide effortlessly across the surface, saving hours and breathing new life into local economies. The journey becomes a breathtaking voyage, where drivers are greeted by endless horizons and tranquil waters stretching beneath their wheels, a serene contrast to the monumental engineering supporting them. In essence, this is more than a highway. It is a bold statement of human ingenuity, a testament to our ability to conquer the most formidable natural barriers. China's floating motorway challenges the limits of possibility, opening a new chapter in the story of infrastructure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these incredible Chinese elevated highways, hit like, subscribe for more amazing engineering feats, and drop a comment telling us which one blew your mind.